Hey guys, today's video is going to be an Ulta haul. Oh, wrong way. There we go. I went there for two things and ended up getting some other things. Okay, so the first thing I really wanted to get was another one of the NYX BB creams. I love this stuff so much. This is perfect for summertime. I got the color Natural. I'm so excited to have this back in my life. I used to use this all the time and then I haven't repurchased it in a while, so super excited to have this back in my life. Also from NYX, I got a butter gloss. This is in the color Sunday Mimosa, and I don't have this one. I have a lot of these, but I don't have this color. Ooh, that's pretty. That's like a pinky peach color. My camera's not gonna pick it up. It looks like really pink, but well, it is like really pink, but it's like peachy pink. Peachy pink. And then because I spent $15, I think, in NYX stuff, I got this for free. It's the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. I've never tried this one before. I've never tried the dewy one. I've tried the matte one, but never the dewy one. Okay, I randomly saw this in the clearance section and it intrigued me. It is the Bad Baby Dry Shampoo Pen. It was $3.47. It says instantly refreshes and boosts the body and all hair types. Nutriblast Complex, natural milk thistle oil, apricot butter, vitamin E, and keratin, 200 plus sprays. I don't know, I just thought this was cute and it was only $3.50, so we'll see how this is. We'll see what it smells like too. They had a hairspray one, but I don't really wear hairspray too often, so I decided to get the dry shampoo one. So we'll see how that guy is. I got some of these Invisibobbles. I've seen everyone and their mother talk about these and I wanted to try them out, so I got them. Basically, they're supposed to be traceless. It helps you avoid headaches. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I wear my hair up, I get such a headache. We'll see how this works on my hair because I have pretty thick hair, but I'm very curious to try these because I've seen seriously everyone talk about these. So this is the other thing that I went in there for. I really wanted to try out the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara because a lot of you guys recommended that on my Mascara Monday episodes, so I wanted to try that out. I don't know, I couldn't find it by itself there. I know they have like Lancome skincare, but I couldn't find the mascara by itself. So I saw this. This is just a little set. It's the Monsieur, am I even saying that right? I don't know. Big in the big three. It comes with the Cils Booster XL. This is to prime. It says condition even the shortest of lashes without clumping. Has a like travel size, I believe. Hold on, let me open it. Yeah, travel size of the Lancome Cils Booster. It's like a primer. And then this is the actual mascara. I'm so anxious to try this out. I don't know. Smells like mascara. Also comes with the Lancome Bifacial, just a mini size makeup remover. So it looks like this. So yeah, these three were $25. So I decided to get this. I think the original, like the big size of this, is $25 itself. So I don't know, I feel like I'd rather spend that on 3 products than on a big mascara, because what if it sucks, you know? Two things from Essence. I saw this polish and I was drawn to it. It's a really pretty summer color. Oh, it's called Indian Summer, how fitting. But yeah, this is the Essence Gel Nail Polish and I really like their nail polish. I feel like it lasts on my nails. And these are super cheap. They're only $1.99. But yeah, this color is super pretty. This is definitely gonna be the next color that goes on my nails. And then I decided to get this mascara. I was watching my girl Sadie, I'll link her channel down below, and I believe this was the one she was talking about. It's the Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. She was talking about this, and supposedly a lot of people talk about this and say that this is a good mascara. I feel like I've tried this. I know I've had this mascara before. I think I got it in a Generation Beauty bag. I don't know, I'm gonna have to look back on my Mascara Monday episodes because I don't think I've tried this. I don't know, but a lot of people talk about this, I guess, and it's supposed to be a really good mascara and it was only $4.99, so I had to get it. Got some products from Makeup Revolution. The first thing that I got is the Strobe Highlighter in Holographic Lights. Let's open this because this looks really, really pretty. This brand is super affordable. I feel like I've tried one of their lipsticks before. This was $6, I believe, so super affordable. Can't open it. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. Oh, I totally messed up my lip swatch. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is super pretty. And I wanted a highlighter like this. Like, this is more of like a, I don't know how to describe the color, but all the highlighters I have are like champagne color or like rose gold. This is more of like a holographic type color, you know what I'm trying to say? Anyone? I don't know. But yeah, super excited to try that. Again, super affordable. Where did the other things go that I just had in my hand? I got one of their lipsticks. This is the Iconic Matte Nude Lipstick in Lust. Packaging is super cute. It's rose gold. And that's what that looks like. Let's swatch this guy. Ooh, that's kind of more pink than I thought it would be. I'm not one to like swatch things in stores because I'm a big germaphobe and that really grosses me out. But I looked at the tester and even like here, this looks more like a mauve color and this is coming off, I don't know, maybe it's my lights. Looks like darker, like more mauve-y in the tube than it does on my hand. So we'll see how it applies to the lips. Okay, then I got the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in Contour. They didn't really have many colors left, so I kind of just was like winging it. I feel like this might be a little dark for me. You know, I don't know. I can try to work with it. You guys probably can't even see that. It might not be too bad. I got C8 and I wanted to get like C2 or 3, but they didn't have many light shades at all. So I don't know, we'll see. Ooh, it's kind of thick. Ooh, I hope I like this because this is super affordable. Okay, and because I spent $15 on Makeup Revolution stuff, I got this highlighter palette for free. This is the Strobe Lighting 3 Strobe Highlighter Palette. It's big. I didn't think it would be this big. Ooh, I like the packaging. Okay, let's see. Ooh, those are big. Oh my gosh, is that, seriously? Seriously? This is like, ugh. You guys, I have this one and then I'm pretty sure this is the same exact one right here. Well, you know, that's okay. But yeah, so there's like a lighter one. This one is more of like a champagne and then this is like rose gold. Kind of see. I should have done my research because I'm pretty sure this is, yes, this is the exact same color. Oh well. So that is it for my little Ulta haul. If you guys are interested in purchasing any of these products, I will try to find links and put them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.